guys, it's Nyla, and today I'm going to be doing sort of like a Draw My Life video, except not for me. I'm going to be doing a Draw My Life video for Cat, a made-up character that I did. So I'm going to be, it's called The Story of Cat, and I just, want to express myself because I love cats. Well, no, I don't, but I don't know why. I like some cats, but, cats are just so cool to me, and I love dogs. Dogs are like awesomeness, but I like cats too. So anyway, so let's make up a date. So let's say January 5th. January 5th, Cat was born, and Cat was part of a litter, and Cat just felt like home, and Cat was a nice little cat. And Cat, though, was an oddball because Cat had 3 legs, and all the other cats that Cat had, no, not Cat, that Mama Cat had 4, and of course they made fun of him, and Cat felt sad because he was the only cat with 3 legs, and he just felt like he didn't fit in, and he was just a sad little cat. And all the other cats were like, ha, 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 because Cat had trouble walking, and he had a disability. And Cat just was sad, because his disability was, putting him behind, and, making him feel bad, and he didn't fit in, and, Cat was just sad. So there's Cat, and there's Mama Cat. You can see Mama Cat. There's Cat. That says Jan 5th, not Jan's. Like January 5th. Okay. So Cat was sad, and he thought that, everyone just hated him because he was just different from everyone else, and he felt like that he couldn't express himself, and he just felt sad. And then one day, when Cat was in middle school, after a long time of getting teased and stuff, and his dad, his dad was like, no, we're going to build you a robotic leg, but he said no, because he liked having 3 legs. He thought it was awesome. But then in middle school, Cat was like, you know what? I am going to apply for theater. And so Cat thought, when he was in theater, that he had total advantage of roles of being bullied, because he experienced it, and he was odd, and he was different from every other cat that applied. And then he got the part. And Cat was so happy, and Cat was like, no one in your face, other cats. You know what? I'm an awesome cat, and I got the part of, let's see. I got the part of Cat. And so Cat was so happy, he was ecstatic, and he went home and told his mom and his dad and his brothers and his sisters, and he was just like, know what? I got the part, and I am now the lead role of a play. How do you feel? How do you feel? He just said it to the heavens and was like, you know what? I am a free cat now. So I'm just applying a lot of stories here. Sorry if I sound like a crazy person. So Cat was very happy, and he did awesome in the play. And in high school, Cat was so scared. Cat thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to have the worst time in high school. High school's going to roll around, and I'm going to be horrible. I'm going to have to think of colleges, and I just don't want to go to high school. But then Cat was like, he was like, no, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. And so he did, and Cat was like, hi, no one saw his videos, not even any of his family, and he was just so sad. But he kept making YouTube videos, and one day he just blew up, and everyone just was watching Cat on YouTube and related to his troubles and thought he was super cute. And Cat, he finally hit 1 million subscribers, and Cat was so happy, and he just screamed, and Cat was like, all those people that doubted me now is like, you know what, too bad for you guys, because I just hit 1 million subscribers, and I'm so happy. So there's Cat, and he's on YouTube. So Cat was very happy. He was jumping for joy, and then he went on so many shows. He went on Jimmy Fallon, Friday Night Live. It was just awesome. Ellen's show. He was just blowing up out of nowhere, and then Cat just like, you know what? I did it. And then one day, it was his senior year in high school, and he was very popular now, and everyone loved Cat when people actually started to get to know Cat, and Cat was super funny and nice and awesome. And then Cat made two best friends in the whole wide world that he could never forget, and those cats are let's see, R and a smaller cat who was kind of tiny and got picked on too, but related to Cat, named N. And N was super nice too, and N was so nice, and N thought that Cat was awesome, and so there was his best friends in the whole wide world, and he couldn't ask for better best friend. So I ran out. And he made like another best friend one day when he was about to at graduation, and they finally met, and they figured, oh wow, we're going to the same college together. What a coincidence! Because Cat got into Princeton, and Cat was like exciting, like he was like screaming, and and he was just so happy that he got into Princeton. And he made a friend named A, and A was a nice little cat. And so he had his three best friends, who loved Cat for him, not because he was famous. And so his three best friends were so nice to Cat, and then, you know, he went to college and he had an awesome life. And his biggest breakthrough is he went on tour, and he had a lot of meetups, and he was just happy. And that's just how Cat was, and he was just happy, and he felt like he finally fit in his life, and he wasn't an outcast, and he was just awesome. And that was the story of Cat. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you liked the story of Cat. And this does not relate to me. I'm just making up a story, but because I'm not in high school or college, so what? But that was the story of Cat, and I'm gonna make up a cat. So here is a little tutorial. So I have an expo marker here, and take your nose and you put like a good circle on it. Okay, this is hard. I'm just gonna do it myself. That was the story of Cat. Whoa.